So we're just doing a little late night vlog. Taking a little trip to downtown Toronto. And we'll show you guys more when we get there. It's kind of bumpy here. And of course Grizz is in the middle here sleeping. He couldn't stay home because he had hot foot.
Alright, so we're on the DVP. We're passing Don Mills right now. Where are we headed?
Downtown Toronto. We'll see the CN Tower.
We don't really know where we're going. We're just taking a drive.
Yeah. We'll see where the night takes us.
Yeah.
Alcohol free day today.
Yeah. Soba day.
Sober. Tomorrow we'll be cracking some. Congratulations to my best friend Vikash and his wife Shivani and their newborn daughter. Tomorrow we cracking something.
The Rogers Center, previously known as the Sky Dome for those who remember. This is where all the big sports games happen.
Stopped off by CN Tower and Sky Dome there.
We'll park up at the side or something.
Yeah, there's a spot I can park on.
I think you could park up around where the pieces.
Look who's up and making noise.
I'm making noise already. Okay.
Over there we have the Ripley's Aquarium. It's really nice. Maybe one day we'll go and show you guys. We have Grizzly over here being a baby. Got Justin in the back.
Yeah.
There's also this really cool place called the Rec Room, which we have yet to go to.
Show them the train.
Huh?
Show them the train.
There's a train here. Then we got this Canada sign here. It's really nice. It's lit orange for the Indigenous children. Grizz wants to lead.
So this is where you go from the buy the tickets and stuff.
Look at this nice CN Tower sign. Toronto.
The 6.
The 6, as everyone calls it.
Yeah. This is 2021. You want anything or you good?
I'll just have a sip from whatever you guys are having. Grizz wants to pee on everything.
Yeah. Exploring.
Yeah. Only coins?
Yeah.
A lot of people come under a counter.
What'd you get?
Coke Zero and I got a Powerade.
Nice.
Yeah. Want to open up here? You good?
Can't go in, but this is the big Blue Jay shirt.
It's the J shop.
Yeah.
Big up to the Blue Jays. Big up to the 6, bro.
You know, today's Friday. Here would have been, you know, packed full of people. And there's not even a single person right now.
I think missing some vodka in here, buddy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Soba cheers.
Soba today. First Friday, and I want to be sober.
I know.
Last week was, you get on some good time that way.
Yeah. And the week before that too.
Yeah, right, for the whole summer. You want me to hold him? Okay, hold on.
Remember I wanted one of these at CNE?
Yeah. We got a nice little colorful flashing balloon. Some of the perks of downtown. Just get random stuff on the side of the road.
We need to hold this little man here because
Yeah, he's getting too rowdy.
rowdy with everyone.
He's getting excited just like us. But he's making more noise.
For how long we done been downtown?
I know.
Oh, I don't know if you can zoom into the fish.
Yeah, we can go up.
Do you see some of the fishies inside?
The Ripley's Aquarium. If you look to that side too, they have over there.
Oh yeah, look how many.
It's a really nice experience.
One day we'll do a video on that too.
Yeah.
Once everything's back and up and running.
Let's go.
This is the Metro Convention Center. They have the Toronto Car Show where they show all the new cars.
That's all. Intercontinental Hotel and Delta Hotel. RBC Tower. BMO.
Water taxi. Sugar factory. Red path. Right here. See how big it is.
As you can see, there's so many angles you could get a nice view down here.
I don't think we'll have to go anywhere.